Hi, today I have a small padlock. It's a Cocraft 300B. It's a very small one. Here's the keyway, 30mm. It's a very tiny keyway. And here's the key and a beading. 4-pin key, like second is a 0 cut. Yeah, it's working very nice, but it's a bit tricky to pick. As you know, all padlocks with small keyways or curved keyways like this, it's a pretty interesting pick, usually for me. And for this one I will use the multi-pick DeForest diamond, but in 0.4 millimeters, because of that keyway. So let's start picking it. 1, nothing, 2, it's binding, no, spring it, 3, click, 4, nothing. So let's go from start. 1, it's now binding. I think I set pin number 1, pin 2. Yeah. I set pin number 2 and we are open. No security pins. 4-pin interesting beading. It's okay beading. So yeah, that was the Cocraft small padlock 300B. Pick and got it. And guys, don't forget to check my giveaway with a number 19. I will put links over here. You have a couple of more days, so check it and find 5 locks that you like, and put it in the comment. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.